How to check time and date of a message in Messenger. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can check time and date of message in Messenger. You can easily check the time and date of message on Messenger you have sent or received. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now from this message list, tap on the any conversation where you want to check the message timestamp. Once you select the message, here scroll up or down in the conversation until you find the message whose timestamp you want to check. Once you have found the message, tap on the message. The timestamp will appear showing the exact time and date when the message was sent or received. You can also try it on other messages. For example, if you want to know when this message was unsent, simply tap on the message and then it says removed on April 20 at 10:34 p.m. So by following these steps, you can easily check the time and date of any message in Messenger to keep track of your conversations. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.